Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi in Kali Linux VirtualBox. First, ensure your host computer has a compatible USB wireless adapter. This is crucial for the virtual machine to access a dedicated wireless interface. Next, install the VirtualBox extension pack, which provides essential support for USB 2.0 and 3.0 devices. Finally, confirm that your USB wireless adapter is not currently being used by your host operating system, as this can prevent its proper pass-through to Kali Linux. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a successful connection. Now, let's configure VirtualBox to recognize your USB adapter. Open the settings for your Kali Linux virtual machine. Navigate to the USB section in the left-hand menu. Here, enable the USB 3.0 controller for optimal performance. Then, click the Add New USB filter icon and select your specific wireless adapter from the list. This action tells VirtualBox to pass the physical USB device directly to your Kali Linux guest, allowing it to function as a native wireless card. Remember to save your changes before starting the virtual machine. With VirtualBox configured, it's time to set up the adapter within Kali Linux. Start your Kali Linux virtual machine. Once it boots, open a terminal or check your network manager. You should see your USB wireless adapter detected as a new network interface, often named WLAN 0 or similar. Use the network manager graphical interface or command line tools like ilconfig and WPA supplicant to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your desired network, enter the password, and connect. Your Kali Linux system will now have direct wireless access. Finally, let's verify your Wi-Fi connection in Kali Linux. Open a terminal and type IP to confirm that your wireless interface has an assigned IP address. This indicates a successful connection to your Wi-Fi network. Next, test your internet connectivity by pinging a reliable website, such as pinggoogle.com, or by opening a web browser and navigating to any web page. If you encounter issues, double-check your VirtualBox USB filter settings and ensure the adapter is properly enabled within Kali Linux. Enjoy your wireless freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.